In sponsored products auto campaigns, when we add 500 or 1,000 asins, usually only 10-20 asins get most of the impressions and clicks. Many other asins are well optimized and have good potential, but still they don't receive impressions or clicks, even when bid and budget are the same for all. Yes. Why does this happen? That's your question. And what strategy should be followed in this situation to give other asins a fair chance? Amazing question. If you're going to do this strategy, I'm assuming that you have a catalog with multiple asins. Now, what I would do with the knowledge that I have right now, I would look into, out of all the asins that you're adding, do you already have one or two products that are top best sellers that you already have data for? Because if so, you're not going to do the strategy that you're talking about, but what you're going to do is rather focus your ad spend on things that already work. Keep in mind that this is discipline and focus, and it's the biggest lever to whatever you already have and it works. That would be the first step. Now, in case that you're going to add multiple asins to the one campaign, you are increasing your potential to bleed when adding 500 to 1,000 asins. So what we would do in this case, we would have very, very low bids. And this is also what's causing the effect you're talking about, not getting any impressions and any clicks and so on. Because there are multiple products that have multiple bids, and then think of it, even if you have a handful of 5 products, even 5 products are going to get multiple, different outcomes. So that's why I'm saying, if you want to apply this strategy, usually we are applying this strategy, but the way we're applying it, we are applying it to accounts to get cheap sales, low ACoS sales, get cost per click that is the lowest as possible, and gain some orders. That is the strategy behind the campaign you are asking about, right? So that is a discovery campaign, low bid catch all campaign. Not all the products are going to get impressions and the clicks. And that is something that we are expecting from the campaign. Because what we are aiming with that campaign is that the products that are still viewable and they are getting impressions and clicks are going to bring us the cheapest sales possible. So now that you're clear on the strategy behind that, the campaign that you're describing is a discovery strategy, and it's expected that you're not going to get the impressions and the clicks and the visibility for all products, right? So this is why I was saying a few questions back that if you don't understand what is the strategy behind the campaign, you're going to fail just because you don't know what to expect and what good looked like, what bad looked like, right? So that's why I'm saying that is a totally normal outcome that you're not going to get that, for all products, all the same visibility. So in this situation, what I would do is focus on, if I already have data, which are the products that best perform for me, I would apply the same strategy you're doing. If you want to create a catch-all campaign similar to what you described, I would do it for one asin and then target multiple things. That way, I know for sure that for that one asin, for that one product, I'm going to get the results that I'm looking for. Now, if you don't have this data at all, and if the brand is brand new and they are just launching multiple products, or you're just they already have been on Amazon, but the data is skewed and so on, and you're just like, let's give it a shot, then you would add all the products within one campaign. Be aware of the fact that this is a discovery campaign. Best way how you can still fragment this is because you're talking about sponsored products auto campaign. The way we would do it in ScaleWave, because you have multiple products, we would have 4 different campaigns in this case. So we would have one that is loose match, one that is substitutes, one that is close match, and one that is complement. You are going to apply exactly the same strategy. Easiest way how you can do this within the ad console is just copy. So duplicate 4 times the same campaign and then make sure that you have only one ad group activated. That way you're going to trigger different searches. Let me know if that helped. I tried to be as thorough as possible because that's also something that I did not know when I started on Amazon. And again, there's no way for you to know until you're flexing the muscle and doing it and gaining more impressions and gaining more experience. Like, oh, so this is how it works. Yes, that's how it works.